Hello, Wonky. Oh, I don't want it.
Oh, yeah, that's fun.
All right.
That's Wonky.
Okay, so Wonky.
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 Alright, we're gonna make pizza.
With
Milk,
yeah.
which we need to get from Wonky.
Right. And so usually, we've been harvesting apples.
Apples. We have a tiny little amount of apples.
We have the tiniest ever.
Apples to ever apple. The teeniest apple. Wait, flip the bowl around and show that super tiny one.
Wait, okay.
Hand it.
They're all falling apart. Okay.
Look how tiny that one is.
Yeah, okay,
It's
well,
so tiny.
you know.
Wonky, you want that one.
That one? You want that one?
I sprayed it with milk.
Oh, man. Well, now she didn't want it.
No, I sprayed the bowl.
Okay. Oops. Okay. You want that? You want that one?
I would have given her the super tiny one.
I'll got it.
Jasper is so sad.
Oh, poor Jasper. He's going to get angry soon.
Anyway,
All right.
So since we have apples and it's fall, so their butter fat is higher, we're making cajeta, which requires the milk that we're getting out. I sound like I totally know what I'm doing.
Okay, so we harvested our apples, and it's not the size of the apple or the size of the harvest that we did. We got one anyway.
Yeah.
So, so we think it's fall, and it's time for caramel apples.
Yes.
Well, caramel takes
butter and cream, which take a lot more milk than we have.
Right.
Because it's fall and their totals are low.
Yeah, their volume goes down and the butter fat content goes up, so it's going to taste better.
Yeah.
Yes, it will always taste better from you. Yes, it would. Wait, give an apple. Seriously.
Give the super tiny one.
How about an apple core? You want an apple core? You'll take it? That's fine. That's fine. Just give another. All right.
And then to make cajeta, you need a half gallon or gallon.
So our recipe for cajeta is 1 gallon of milk.
1 gallon of milk.
6 cups of sugar.
2 teaspoons of baking soda to make it brown.
And then you have to cook it for 3
to 6 hours.
No, 3 hours. And it could be 3.5. You have to really watch it.
Yeah.
We check it every half an hour.
Yes. You have to check it every half an hour. It's very nothing.
Yeah.
Oh,
time to do something.
nothing done.
Yeah. And then you can hot pack it. It reduces down to about half the volume.
Yeah.
You don't want it on
Very
super high heat because then it'll scorch.
And you don't want to cook it too long because then if you cook it too long, then it could go past the soft boil point or whatever and completely harden in the jar and you can get a spoon in it.
Yeah. And then it's hard crack, and then we don't want that. Well, you do. It's okay, but then
it's okay, but then you can't eat it with the spoon properly.
Yeah, you can't dunk it.
Yeah.
All right. And then let's see. So,
and so we use that because it's just milk and sugar.
Right. So yeah, even though the milk tastes better, there's don't waste it.
I'm not trying to. A little sleepy from market.
Yeah, this is a long day. And then and so we're gonna have like we filmed it as it boils.
We made some yesterday.
Yeah.
Because it takes so long.
Yeah, so we'll taste test it. Are you looking?
Are you paying attention to any of this, Miss Wonky?
She's paying attention to this.
I want some of that.
Yeah, just don't cook it.
Don't sit on me trying to get to that. Yay, good Wonky.
All right then.
He's so sad.
Well, oh.
The baby joined in.
Oh.
Look, I'm giving you your mom back. I know that's not as good as apples.
Apples. But I'm the Jasper.
Yeah, you're also the boy, though.
That's okay.
Well, Monkey gets freebies because she makes milk.
Yeah.
I know
Did you
that.
make funny faces, which are almost as good? And 2 spoons of baking.
Nice dark brown.
Hi, Jelly. You had enough of this? You're going to go all the way around? You came out in the rain for this? You had enough of this? It's raining?
Morning.
Barney.
Your sister's gonna eat it if you don't.
Why are we out in the rain?
Monkey.
Hello.
Why'd you spit it, Monkey?
This again?
Monkey.
Grow some new plants?
Monkey. No.
You came out in the rain for this?
Took a bath.
You were tricked?
Took a bath.
You thought it was going to be better somehow?
Took a bath. Took a bath. Monkey, are you leaving us? Monkey is leaving.
She's the smart one.
Took a bath.
Hello, Papa. Hello, baby. First baby.
Yep. Oh. Hang on, guys. I gotta go in.
Okay, slowly. Try not to set it down. Jelly.
Jelly.
Jelly. Come on. Please. Please.
Jelly.
Extra. One extra.
I know it's one extra.
It's not. Yeah, that's.
I
What?
know, fix the door, and now that's nope.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Fix the door, and it's weird now. I don't want to go over
We're
there.
afraid. The door's been broken for so
It's
long.
new.
And now it's new.
Come on.
Hey, you know what we forgot? There we go.
Yeah,
It's starting to be dark out. Well, hey, Jelly. Let's start all over.
Hey, Jelly. You want to help us do a thing
Yeah.
that isn't milking?
It isn't milking.
It involves food.
You're down for that?
Okay.
Apple corn?
Oh, yeah.
I can do that.
I need all of it.
So what other things can we use for cajeta? We
See,
can...
apples. We have one thing where we put it with bananas into like a cobbler pie thing.
We had a cobbler base, we put bananas, and then we put the cajeta over the top.
Yeah. And it
That was
good.
pretty good.
It was
We
like
put it-
banana pie almost.
You put 1 big spoon of cajeta in your coffee in the morning. That's pretty good.
Ice cream.
Ice cream, put it in the ice cream, put it on the ice cream. Yeah. Dunk cookies in it. That's pretty good.
Basically anything you could use caramel for.
Yeah, it's a good substitute for caramel sauce. It's about this much healthier because instead of
butter and cream, it's just milk and sugar.
right. And then let's see what else. Oh yeah, and then so you keep it in the fridge. We keep it in the fridge.
It can be left out. We found out that it can be fine by leaving it out accidentally, but
Yeah,
don't do that.
yeah, enough water is reduced out of it, and then the sugar acidifies.
You could probably put it in a canner.
Yeah, and well, no, if you hot pack it,
Yeah. Really.
and then it should be okay. But we keep it in the fridge anyways,
Just to be safe.
because we're home canners and we want to be super safe, right? And it doesn't last that long anyways because we eat it. And yes,
With granola and yogurt for breakfast.
yeah, or just
You'll never remember. Or
That's pretty
you know,
good, too.
with a spoon.
yeah, or just with a spoon.
Just eat it.
That's pretty good. Yeah, and then so jelly.
I think she'd eat the apple with caramel on it. I mean, the cajeta on it.
Well, I don't know. I think probably just the apple would be good.
Oh, life, huh?
Yeah.
Arr.
Harf.
You're actually chewing that one this time.
It's kind of big. A
Yeah.
little big,
You got it?
even for
Like
jelly.
sucker?
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so you're gonna test it.
Okay.
We made some yesterday.
I had some yesterday. We put it in a...
Oh,
I don't know. So far away. Are you paying attention?
I don't know. It's gonna smell like you.
It was sealed. Oh, there's
Yeah.
some air bubbles in it.
Yeah. Yeah. I ruined it.
Oh.
That's pretty good. You don't want it now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Feels like a
It's not double dipping if you flip the end over.
Yeah. Technically.
Technically.
Yeah. Just eat that, yeah.
It's not fair. Whoa.
Oh, almost lost it.
She was like, ugh, where's the flavor?
So, yeah, I gotta get some.
No
What's
me.
this? No, wait, just give me.
You can have the other half.
Okay.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and stuff. I'm not gonna chug it straight out of the jar. I have standards.